In this demonstration, we're going to review the default configuration of an Edge Transport Server. The Edge Transport Server sits in the DMZ, and what it's responsible for is SMTP routing. So if we have a look at the Edge Transport Exchange Management Console, what we can see here is we can see that we have one server. Each server, if it is an Edge Transport Server, is looked after individually. So the first little tab we have here is the anti-spam tab, and on the anti-spam tab we can see that everything is enabled. Nothing is configured as of yet, but everything is enabled. If we have a look at the Receive Connectors tab, we can see we've got a default internal receive connector, send connector, no connectors as yet, but what we could do here is set up a connector to allow us to send email out to the internet via the new send connector wizard. Transport rules allow us to say what happens to the mail as it passes through the Edge Transport Server, so that's mail coming into the organization and mail leaving the organization. And then under accepted domains, these are the domains that are allowed via the Edge Transport Server. So what we could have here is contoso.com as the authoritative domain. Mail could be accepted and then passed through to the Hub Transport Server on the internal network. If we just right click on the server itself up at the top and have a look at the properties, what we can see in the properties is that we have the general page, so we have the general information, system settings, so what to do in case of an error, customer feedback options, which I'll just turn off now. We've got the external DNS lookup, we've got internal DNS lookup, we've got the mail limits for SMTP connections, and we've also got the log settings as well. So in the case of the log settings, we've got our message tracking log, connectivity log, and the protocol logs down at the bottom here. On the Toolbox tab, we've got the Best Practice Analyzer, Remote Connectivity Analyzer, Mail Flow Troubleshooting Tools, and the Performance Tools down at the bottom. And that's the end of this quick demonstration. Thanks very much.